Dyno decking. How to install Bullnose edge. Installing a Bullnose edging trim is a great way to give your project a professional and finished look. The process is straightforward. Attach the 3mm or 6mm clips to each joist. Apply an adhesive on the edge of the joist where the Bullnose will be installed. Then, measure and cut the Bullnose trim to the desired length, mitering any joints, leaving a few millimeters for expansion. Next, once the fixings are attached, carefully align the Bullnose trim with the edge of your project and press it firmly into place, ensuring you work from one end of the Bullnose to the other, securing each clip as you move along the length. Finally, to ensure the Bullnose is secured in place, secure a 3mm or 6mm clip to the underside of the Bullnose edge and screw them into the joist to hold the Bullnose in place, and to secure to your next decking board installed vertically on the face of the decking. The final installed board should be slid between a 3mm or 6mm fixing and a starter fixing. While the process is simple, it's important to take your time and ensure that you're using the correct tools and techniques.